It's finally time for fall. Time for pumpkins, football games, and of course, mums. Mums are hands down the easiest way to decorate your porch and patios for the autumn season. You can keep them in their pots all season, just be sure to water them and put them in the sun. Did you know that mums bloom at different times? There are 4 bloom times separated by 2 weeks. Early season starts September 1st, mid-season September 15th, late season October 1st, and season extender October 15th. These are the latest ones to bloom. They do bloom for about 4 weeks, and this is influenced by the weather. Mums are not reliably hardy in our area, so plant them early and cover them with leaves or straw after blooming, and don't cut them back until mid-March. This will increase the likelihood that they'll overwinter. With 41 colors to choose from and 5 different sizes, come visit us at Ashcombe and let us help you transform your yard from summer to fall.